Hello, today I will be discussing how to use methods and parameters within a class. In this example, I will be using the turtle class. To start off, we must create a new object called world, which will serve as a blank space so you can draw on by using turtles. You can set the parameters of the world. In this case, I set the world to be 500 by 500. In order to start using turtles, you must use the turtle object. Here, we are calling a turtle object Henry, and to be placed in this world, which we initialized up here. There are many things you can do with a turtle. For example, you can move the turtle by using the move_to method. Henry is the object, and move_to is the method that uses parameters that tells Henry where to move to. Methods that don't have parameters are both the pen up and the pen down methods. Pen up keeps your turtle from drawing, and the pen down method puts the turtle's pen back so it can draw again. Here, I use the for loop to create the outline of the stopwatch, which is a circle. You first have to initialize a temporary variable called I. Here, I initialized it to equal 0. Next, you set a condition where the loop will continue until I is a certain number. In this case, the for loop will continue until I is greater than or equal to 190. And lastly, you must set how the I variable you initialize changes every time it goes through a loop. So here, every time the loop finishes, I is increasing by 1. You can create as many turtles as you'd like. To make this stopwatch, I used 3 turtles. Now, a lot of these parameters I came up with are the result of experimentation. For example, when looking at the for loop I created, these 2 directions are the foundation for creating a circle. I changed them repeatedly until I felt the circle was drawn the way I liked. I also took into account how many times I wanted these directions to be performed. If I changed the parameter of the forward method to be 7 instead of 5, you can see it changes the size of the circle. It makes it bigger. Now if I were to change the turn method to be 4 instead of 2, you can see it makes the edges a lot smoother. If we look at the turtle separately, I created a turtle named Nick to draw these dividers. Now it's pretty simple, as you can just move the turtle to each side and then just have them draw the lines dividing each of the portions of the stopwatch. And then I create another turtle named Colin to draw the clicker or the stopper that stops the stopwatch. Another important thing to do when drawing an image is, when you're done, make sure to hide each turtle by using the .hide method.